my bum and subscriber squad. What's happening, my loves? Welcome. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, guys, we have February's BoxyCharm base box. This baby just showed up, boo. So, yeah, I said, well, look, why not unbox it for the people? Give them what they want. So if you guys want to see what's in February's BoxyCharm base box, stay right there and don't move because it's coming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, loves. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Mardi Gras to my NO people, even though it's canceled. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because on Tuesday, I'm going to just be doing my own little Mardi Gras thing. I'm going to put my Mardi Gras shirt on, my leg warmers, and I'm going to just be cutting up inside. So make sure y'all are following me there. It's in the description, guys, the link. So today we have BoxyCharm's base box. I'm very excited to see what we got. Now, I did not watch too many unboxing videos. Well, I didn't watch any unboxing videos yet. No, one, I lied. I watched one video, and the response I've been getting about BoxyCharm is that this one ain't hitting on nothing. So I'm hoping that I'm not disappointed, y'all. So yeah, I'm going to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. Oh, we got to take a dance break and a drink break. And look at right here. Boo, I got a drink. Let me pop it. Ooh, I love that sound. Now, this is Valentine's and Mardi Gras celebration. So, y'all need y'all drinks for this one, boo, because, yeah, we need to be drinking and socializing. So this is the base box. It is $25 per month. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products in this box right here, guys. And the minimum value, I think, is like $215, $175. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen just in case. So yes, we're going to get it open right now and see what we got. Now, I haven't opened mine yet, y'all. So let's rip it open. Girl, why is this on my table? Oh, let's open her up, and it's red inside, symbolizing the base box. Ooh, okay. We do get a card this month, and the theme is XOXO, which y'all know I'm sending y'all XOs because I love you guys so much. And on the back of the card, we get a list of products as well as the retail value. And I'm going to put my variation number towards the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So, yeah, boo, let's stop talking. Let me get a drink, and we're about to get unboxing. First up on top is from St. Luxe, and this is the limited edition liner duo right there. Oh, I'm shaking. Y'all, do not look at my nails because I'm making me some Mardi Gras nails later on tonight or probably tomorrow, so don't look at them. Ooh, okay. So we get 2 lip liners, one in the shade Secret Admirer, and the other one in the shade Love Letter. Ooh, they're very, very, very pretty colors, guys. Let's swatch them. This one is Love Letter. Oh, the tip just broke. Wow. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched them out, guys. This one right here is Love Letter. This one is Secret Admirer. They're not really too pigmented on my skin, but they do feel kind of creamy. So, okay, cool. I always love a lip liner. And these are, let's see, the St. Luxe Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. And this is, girl, $40. Girl, okay. For 2 lip liners, that's not even that pigmented. Alrighty, next product up is from Tula, and this is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. That is what she is looking like right there. It says, so purifying, so poreless, powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This deeply exfoliating scrub helps to purify your pores to minimize the look of blackheads. They have lactic acid and gentle hibiscus, I think it is, flower polish your pores, Probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranate reveal softer and smoother skin. Apply on clean skin with warm water. Gently massage in a circular motion before rinsing thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times per week. I do love Tula's skincare. I really do. This is what it looks like right here, my loves. And in here you get 2.89 ounces of product. It is sealed. I will not open this, but I do like exfoliating cleansers because, you know, sometimes you got to get deep into those pores to kind of clean them out a little bit. So this right here, my loves, is $32. All right, so next up on the platter is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Double Date Lip and Cheek something. Let me see if it says something on this card. It just says lip and cheek. Okay, this is what the packaging is looking like right here. And let's open it up. I think it's like a lip and cheek. Well, I don't know if it's a powder. Let's see. Let's just open it. Oh, okay. All right, so we take it out. This is what it looks like. I do like the packaging. So up top, how you open the second one? Oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. All right, so on this side right here, the white side, I'm going to say that this is the lip side. And right here would be the cheek and lip product right there. It is like a balm, both of these. I don't like to put these types of products on my cheeks because I am an oily combination girl, but I don't mind using a nice hydrating balm for my lips. So I'll get some use out of this. This always is good for just, you know, applying before bed or when you're going out, whatever. And this right here is $22. Now, would I pay $22? I'm not sure, but yeah. So it said that it's a comfortable hydration and glow. It's a sheer tint. Okay. All right, cool. All right, guys. So next up we have from Handskin, and this is the Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence. And this is the giant package that it comes in. You get 300 milliliters of product in here, and it's a 5-in-1 moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing. I can never say those words right. And skin softening product. All right, let's open it up. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. So you're going to use this after you wash your face. You're going to dispense an appropriate amount onto the palm and gently apply it on the face in a direction of the skin texture. Okay. It contains abundant moisture, making the facial complexion look moisturized and bright, and is formulated with hyaluronic acid. Okay, cool. So this is what the product looks like. This is a huge bottle, guys. Huge. And they have something, oh no, that's little bubbles. Okay, I'll try this out, I guess. Let me know if you guys have heard of this product before, this company. If you use it, let me know. I'm intrigued by this one. Okay, let's see what it retails for. I forgot all about that. So this one right here is $46, guys. This is a K-Beauty product. And our final product up is a palette. All right. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. And this is from Ace Beauty. And this is the Nostalgia palette right here. Packaging is gorgeous. I don't even remember the base box spoilers for February. I really and truly don't. And so I don't even know what I picked. But this is what the packaging is looking like. Girl, we get another mirror. Hey, boo. All right, let's fold this back. This is the palette right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. This is perfect for the spring and summertime. I absolutely love it. We have some shimmer shades, some matte shades, a beautiful variety of colors that you can get a lot of looks with. Now, this is a little bit on the edge for me because you know your girl is like a neutral toned girl. But I am intrigued by these colors. So I'm going to swatch 5 of them just so that we can see. And it's very, very creamy. This is actually giving me Mardi Gras vibes. Okay. Oh, wow. Those are the 5 shades swatched out. Look at that pigment. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about this one. Yes. And this one right here is retailing us for $38.99. Alrighty, loves. So that was our final product in this month's BoxyCharm base box. Let's do a quick recap, and we're going to do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this Ace Beauty palette here. From Wander Beauty, this lip and cheek duo. From Handskin, this Hyaluron Skin Essence. From Tula, this exfoliating scrub. And from Saint Luxe, these liners right here. So these 5 products right here, I will put the box total right here on the screen for you guys. And my variation number is letter C, number 2102026/BA. Final thoughts on the base box for February. I must say that I am not really blown away this month. My favorite product in here is this Ace Beauty palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely have fun creating looks with that. But other than that, everything else was just okay. It just wasn't a wow factor for me this month. I just don't really know how to feel about this box. Honestly, I don't even remember my choice item. So, I don't know about this month. I'm just on the fence about it. This is the best thing in the box, and it was $35.99, so it pays for the box, but still, I like, I don't know. It's just not giving me good vibes. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Like, I don't know. I really don't know what to say or what to even rate it. So, y'all let me know what y'all think of this box in the comments below. Let me know what you would rate it, because I don't have a clue. I just don't know. Based on the palette, I give the palette a solid 4, but we got to see how I work on my eyes. The rest of the products, I don't know, y'all. So, yeah, that's TonyaNicole's thoughts on a BoxyCharm base box. Y'all let me know again in the comments what you got in your box. Let me know what you thought of my box and BoxyCharm as a whole. Wednesday's video will be the premium box, so make sure you check that out. And Friday will be Seductive Pleasure, so make sure you check that one out as well. So that's it, guys. Make sure, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna have a 5K giveaway as soon as I hit 5K. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My Mardi Gras look will be up Tuesday. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is the type of content you enjoy from me. Plus, it helps my channel out a lot. I will see you guys in the comments and on Wednesday's video. I love you guys dearly. Bye, loves.